All right, good morning, boys and girls. Now today, my friends, we're going to continue talking about tools. Remember, tools are things that we use to help us make something, bake, cook, build, anything. They make it easier than just using our hands. Yesterday, we talked about tools that we can cook with or bake things with. Today, we're going to talk about tools that help us build things. And the first tool that we're going to talk about is a saw. Now, saws are dangerous. You have to let an adult use saws, okay? But we're going to talk about a saw. Now, look here. You see this? Perfect. Now, a saw, I want you to grab your saw like this and pretend to go like this. Awesome. A saw is a tool that we use to cut something. So, look, I want you to saw, saw, saw. Ready? Go. Saw, saw, saw. Good job. Like when you're building a house, you might have a long piece of wood that you need to cut in half. So you might saw, 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 so you have two pieces. Another tool we're going to talk about today is a hammer. A hammer helps us put things in place. Like you might have a nail and you need to pound, pound, pound with a hammer to put two pieces together. So look, ready? Pound, pound, pound. Good job. Now these tools help us build things. If you were a construction worker or anything that, or what am I talking about? A construction worker or a house builder, what would you use in your saw and hammer to build? Yeah, that's awesome. If Miss Walashik was a construction worker or a builder, I would build a school. I would have to use saws to cut pieces to make perfect walls and hammers to put them together. So I'm going to erase this, I'll leave that right here. But we're going to go ahead and write our morning message today. And we're just going to talk about that these two objects are tools. They help us. So let's write about it. Hammers and saws are tools. Can you say that? Awesome. Let's pat it. Ready? Hammers and saws are tools. Good job. Can you count those words? Ready? Go. How many words did you count? All right, let's see. Hammers and saws are tools. How many words? 5 words. Good job. All right, let's write it. What was our first word? Hammers. What does hammer start with? The letter H. Good job. Hammers and, so hammers and saws. What's the first sound here in saw? The letter S. Hammers and saws are tools. What's the first sound that you hear in tools? The letter T. Good job. And what kind of punctuation do I put at the end? Right, a period. Why do I put a period? Perfect, because that's the end of our sentence. It means to stop. Let's go ahead and read this sentence. So I have my pointer. I want you to follow along with your finger. Ready? Hammers and saws are tools. Your turn. Hammers and saws are tools. Awesome job. Now, kiss your brain. I love you, brain. Today, my friends, we're going to focus a lot on building, and we'll be talking about these tools later. So I can't wait for you to join. Thanks.